Today I'll be sharing a few examples of my Soul Collage cards as well as a writing prompt you can try at home. This is one of the first cards I made with Soul Collage. I found the process when I was being treated for thyroid cancer. So I was going through surgery and radiation and I couldn't have any electronics or see anybody. I was like self-quarantined, which now many people can relate to. But I was quarantined for a very short period of time, I think 3 or 5 days. And I discovered Soul Collage and really enjoyed playing with all of these papers. So I only ended up writing with the one card today that I felt more connected with and drawn to. What really resonated was this idea of like ink coming out of octopus and then how we also speak and write and express ourselves. I'll share just a little bit of what I wrote. So the first prompt I found really interesting of who I am and what do I have to tell you. So I wrote, I am your creative freedom, your voice, the deeply feminine and fluid parts that long for and enjoy expression. I am here to remind you to savor these moments, to relish in their beauty, to be in the awe of the simple and complex colors, shapes, lines of both nature and you. Remember the color blue for your throat. Remember the importance of ink, of writing, of being in this moment. And I'm sure on some level that that's how it came out again for me with this connection to the throat and expression.